Hello and welcome to RAISINS QDA, your ultimate solution for qualitative data analysis. I am Siddharthas, data analyst at Statoberry LLP. Today, I am here to give you a quick tour on how to use this module to its fullest and gain qualitative insights from your raw data. Once you are logged in with your credentials, the home page opens up. There will be a demo project to get you started. Today, we are starting by creating a new project. Once the project is created, you are taken into the project tab. Here, you can upload the data files needed for your analysis. Once the upload is complete, your workspace is set for coding. On the left, the document panel lists all your uploaded files. You can add new files by clicking the Add button and remove a file by selecting it and clicking the Delete option. The tag icon on the left opens the codebook panel. This panel lets you add codes. Let's learn what we mean by coding. Coding is a systematic process of assigning labels to segments of text. For example, this sentence is associated with climate change and its effect on farmers. So, we can code this as climate change for further referencing. Give each code a name and a short description and choose a color for easy identification. That's the manual method. Now let's look at a faster and easier way to build your codes. With the raw encoder option, you simply select the document to be analyzed and mention your research goal, and Ravan identifies the relevant codes for your data. You can simply omit the research goal section to perform open coding. You can pick the codes individually or click Select All button and add them straight to the codebook. These codes are now available in the codebook ready for tagging. Now let's look how to tag a section. Select the area of text. From the pop-up, click the code you want to tag that sentence with. You can edit code as you move forward with your analysis. And you can even create subgroups or subcodes by assigning a code to a theme. Once your coding is done, the codebook section is populated with plots and visuals. This helps you spot co-occurrences among codes and even derive themes across multiple files. The word analysis tab helps you understand the most frequent word in your file. It comes with a filter to assist you. Here, you can remove words that aren't relevant to the content of your analysis. This is also supported by word cloud plots. Every plot is customizable. It can be downloaded in the highest quality. The sentiment analysis helps you understand the overall sentiment of your uploaded file. Lexicon methods like affine, Bing, and NRC identify the overall sentiment of your data and the emotions hidden within it. But lexicon methods can miss complex cases like sarcasm and negation. That's why they are backed up by an LLM-based approach. You can download this result and plots in the format you needed. Once your analysis is complete, you can export the whole thing in a single report. For any further clarifications or suggestions, feel free to reach out to us at the contact details given below. Thanks for watching. Happy analyzing.
RAISINS, the future of research begins here.